Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about what is FM WhatsApp and how you can install its APK. FM WhatsApp is a modified version of WhatsApp developed by Ford Apps. The developer added a lot of features in the app that are missing from the regular version of WhatsApp. The app is not available on the Google Play Store, but you have to download it from a third party website. FM WhatsApp allow you to use features such as hide your last scene, customize app colors and other interface icons. You can easily customize the app with thousands of themes available in the theme store. Now I will discuss the features of FM WhatsApp with you. There are a lot of features that you can get using FM WhatsApp. Here they are. Number 1, customization. In case you are bored with the way regular WhatsApp looks like, you can change it in FM WhatsApp. There are new themes added every day to the theme store, so you have plenty of free themes to choose from. The second feature is exclusive. Unlike the original app, you do not need to have a number saved on your device to send the message. You can send message to unsaved contacts via the apps, while the number of the regular step is just 3 chats. Number 3 is increased limit. While the original WhatsApp limits you from sending a message to 250 people, FM WhatsApp allows you to send message to up to 500 people. You can send only 30 images at once, but with FM WhatsApp you can send 60 at once. The fourth is anti-delete status. This is one of FM WhatsApp main features. In case of regular WhatsApp, when someone posts a story and then delete it, you can see what the story was. You have an unfair advantage. Even though they delete the story, you will be able to see it later on. But it will give you accessibility that no one has. The fifth feature is media sharing. In the case of regular WhatsApp, you have limits in how many images and data you can send at once. But with FM WhatsApp, you get rid of that and send more than 30 images with data files up to 7 MB at once using Megafiles HD APK. All using just FM WhatsApp without any data limit. Emoji variants. Along with other customization, you also have access to add emojis from different Android ecosystems. To enjoy this feature, keep in mind that you must have the latest version of FM WhatsApp. Now the question is how to download the FM WhatsApp. Note that you are familiar with FM WhatsApp's benefit. It is time you know where you can download it from the safest way. Here is a link from where you can download the FM video WhatsApp APK. GB WhatsApp and U WhatsApp, but they have fewer features compared to FM WhatsApp. In order to use FM WhatsApp, you will have to uninstall the regular version of WhatsApp from your phone. How to install FM WhatsApp? As FM WhatsApp is not an official app, you have to download it from a third-party website. Number 1. Once you download it, you have to enable to unknown resources to install the app. You can then enter your phone number and you receive an OTP. Once you have entered the OTP, you can now start using it again. Pros of FM WhatsApp. It has an anti-delete function which prohibits the sender from deleting the message they sent to you. You can share files with the size of above 700 MB through FM WhatsApp. No forwarded tag will be shown when you forward the message. Cons of FM WhatsApp. As Facebook does not maintain the app, the update cycle will be slower compared to the regular WhatsApp. You can report any bugs or error if you notice any. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.